What up, what up, what up? You know who it is. It's your man, Boss Gang VIP, back with another weekly money watch. Last week was absolutely amazing. SPY makes a new all-time high. Who doesn't like that? Hopefully, you're making lots and lots of money. I know I did. Last week, we're not worried about last week. We're worried about this week. We're going to see what we can do this week. So, with that being said, if you haven't already, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel so you can get the updates as soon as they are available. Let's go ahead, give a quick update to the Roth portfolio. In real time, we're watching the portfolio make new all-time highs, made new all-time closing highs Friday, continuing after hours. If you're interested, subscribe to the channel, stay up to date with the latest updates, refer people to the channel who doesn't want to have the report making new all-time highs on a consistent basis. U.S. economics calendar for the week, Monday, August 25th, new home sales. Couple Fed presidents speaking. Tuesday, August 26th, durable goods, consumer confidence. Wednesday, no events scheduled on Wednesday. Wow. Thursday, initial jobless claims, GDP first revisions. You know how things go with these revisions. Pending home sales, Waller speaks. Friday, personal income, personal spending, PCE index, PCE year over year, Fed's preferred inflation gauge, pre-market Friday. How does that work? We'll see how everything works out. According to the almanac, going into this week, bullish historically. So you know what that means. Over 60% of the time, SPY finishes green on this particular trading day. Tuesday, regular day in the market. Wednesday, historically bullish. August 3rd to last trading day, S&P has been up 19 years in a row, or was up 19 years in a row from 2003 to 2021, but down 0.7% in 2022, up 1.5% in 2023. Does this bullish momentum continue in the market? We'll see. I believe it does, and I'm looking to take advantage of it. August, next to last trading day, S&P has been down 18 of the last 28 years. So maybe we got some discounts last week. People bought some discounts, run it up. Institutions create some liquidity. We know how this goes. Last trading day in August, S&P has been up. The last was up 13 of the last 24 years, but down 6 of the last 9. Let's go ahead and get into the charts for this week. We've been smoking these charts lately. Clean energy play here, charge point, pretty entry, 225 minute above 1184. We had that fell 2 down and a quarter, 1018 held above that, pretty clean. Other side is weekly broader formations. We got monthlies up here. Let's focus on that monthly right now, just around $16. Obviously, you got tons of liquidity, looking good coming off of these lows. There's really no telling where we're going to go with a lot of these charging stations. We'll see if we can get this quarter to turn green, just over $14. Corporate data earnings September 3rd after market, 4:30 Eastern for the earnings call. Another one, I've been smoking this over and over again. Amazon, pretty strong, coming off some low levels, has been pushing up. We got this nice green month, 2 up on a quarter. Anytime I can get a discount on Amazon while it's making this push up, we got this inside week push back above this quarterly. Pretty easy here. 229.09. That is, what entry is that? That's a 5-minute entry. Sometimes I put these 5-minute entries. It's hard for a text to show up. Okay, let me pull this over. Let me activate this here. Such a low time frame, so you guys can see these in frame here, and then let me activate this drawing. So we had original entries above 222.73, and we've had a lot of entries. We have 193 entries, but just to try to keep the charts as clean as possible, we have 4-hour entries above 222.73. And the new entries on a 5-minute above 229.09. Amazon absolutely smoking. Another one we've just continued to smoke over and over and over. DraftKings. We gave entries above 33.83, 221 minute, right? We had new entries above 221 minute above 43.77. This week we got 221 minute. Let me show you what that guys what that looks like above 47.20. I have no reason to believe this won't continue to go. We like to get a lot of stocks off the discount, and those are a lot of times the best stocks to play because with the Strat, we're trading these large ranges of price action. So nothing's guaranteed, but everything is going according to plan. I can't tell you what's going to happen. I can only tell you and show you what's already happened. What's already happened, I'll let it speak for itself. Again, this your man, Boss Gang VIP, doing what I do every single week. If you appreciate it, go ahead, push the like button, subscribe, share the channel with the people you love. With that being said, I'm looking forward to having an absolutely fantastic week. Catch up with you guys next time. I'm out. Peace.